Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. So Apple just released the Mac iOS Big Sur, but unfortunately I have a problem. So when I try to install the update, very bad today. So let me know if you have the same problem. So when I try to install the update, as you can see, the Mac iOS Big Sur, the update is 12 gigabytes, so that's quite big. But yeah, this is the update that we always waiting for. But the problem is, when I try to update, I have this error message, which I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you still have this problem, because um, before this problem, when I start to download the update, I was downloading about 100 megabytes and then stopped. And when I tried to download the update again, now I have this error message, which is just crazy. So now I can't update. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you what is the new features of the Mac iOS Big Sur. But let me know in the comments down below if you have the same problem. And the more important is how to fix this problem if you have the same issue. So yeah, this was just quick video. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you all the new features for the new iOS update, but yeah, let me know if you can fix the problem or if you have the same issue as well. My name is Stefan. I will see you in the next one.